Yeah, they're all gone. Should we put them back in and go fishing again? Can you help me? It goes right there. It goes right there. It goes in that one. There you go. Good job. Want to help? Can you get another one for me? Can you get some more? That's right. We're missing one, though. I don't know what we're missing.
It's okay, let's get her doing this.
Actually, we lost two this round. There was one already. She's hungry.
Where's your fishing pole?
You want to go fishing? You want to go fishing?
That's the end of this video.